Director General of Police DGP Idashisha Nongrang expressed pride in the growing number of women joining the police force during the passing out parade of the 43rd Batch Recruit Constables at the 1st MLP Battalion Armed Police Training Centre ATPC in Maulai Maoyong on Monday. The passing out parade was led by H.G. Lingdo, Commandant of 1st Battalion MLP Maoyong. The DGP said that it is a great sense of gratitude and relief to see more representation for women in the police force.
It is indeed with even more pleasure that I see that nearly 50% of the constables passing out today are from the female contingents. Yes, we talk about the need for having more and more representations from the ladies in the police force. It is always with a great sense of gratitude and with a great sense of relief that we see such things happening more and more in the days which we have just witnessed.